guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
You know they hear words. You know they hear word. You know they hear words. Down. Unogbabe. The head with the open door for thief to enter house. He say no they hear words. He say no agree hear words. Unto what I come today, I want to give my 4-cent take on that thing where Richard, so-called baby mama, do, and he had the infantry to come out, come repeat them again. That make we call talk put. If not, I wouldn't have put any input. I'll just let her this what they go. But he come tell us say that thing the real thing that's supposed to be. Obviously, that is absolute garbage, and so disruptive for us as Africans in this 21st century. In Europe, for that matter, even in Africa, it not function like that. Even in Africa, it not work like that. I never saw any mother putting food on beer ground or table for any kids. I never see them. Now for Richard had for see them. So he walk up prove and say that thing are the right thing. And some idiots, some maggots, are not supposed to be women. Those rejected, dejected, ashawo, frustrated, post-trauma syndrome, seeking women. They support such acts. They try to wrap and say it is because of, say, all of them, they did the same devilish organization, GPC, whatever, what they belong to. Because of the devilish intent, they cannot see truth. Common truth. You know, if you talk out. You know, if you talk common truth, speak up out as it be, without caring whose house is being God. What is fucking wrong with my people? I've spoken times without number, extensively, that our people don't talk truth. They don't like truth. They just want to say this one on my own. If the country they die, if anything they happen wrong, they don't want to talk the truth because they get one common things where they identify themselves with and they keep on lying. Society they grow that way. Obviously, no decent society grows without people not saying the truth. That is why Nigerians will never get it, because the Nigerians where they see today, they know they walk towards progress for themselves. They know they want to get the truth, to get foundation of truth, to let things work accordingly. They believe this one on my own. If that one they do wrong, please help me to share this thing. Why not share this thing? Share this thing, my people. We're gonna hear truth. We're gonna share this thing because we don't like truth. That is why the country will never get right. Seriously, the country will not get right because I can see some idiots who support Tinubu. How will they get her? You know, see vibrant man like a Peter Obi, because some people collect small money, they want to collect money, they'll call it say now Tinubu. If you not die in the next 10 in the next 8 years now, I call it call. I brought people when I call give us money, we won't be telling anybody we vote for Tinubu. Come ask for money for diaspora. When I go die for that country. This will not like truth. I go die and I go rotting in pieces, not in peace. When I go die, rotting in pieces. Because I don't like truth. Drinking my fresh Irish cream. The truth need to be told. Lord Joyce, I see you. You're welcome. Please help me to share. The truth need to be told. Who be those people that support somebody for Western world? They put food or picking for table. Table they use chemical they clean. Table they use different alcohol, they call it alcohol in Italy, to clean table, to make and shine. Basically, they put food for children. Children! I think the government of Germany should do something about his stupidity. The government of Germany should do something about his stupidity, his ignorance. It's no excuse before the law. He's so ignorant. The baby mama is so ignorant. Two mumu for house. Two mumu outside there. You won't down. Ogu will kill you. You see me they not share that video because I know they too they share it. I go share it later. Make Ogu punish you. Who they fear your head? You they try to say who share the video. You how many people if you deal with you? Ogu they punish you, Richard. The daughter of God strike you dead. Make Ogu share that video. Make Ogu share as they go worldwide. Make they see Richard stupidity. Make it carry those dirty followers who they lie to her. We don't tell the truth. Share this to my people. Make una share Richard video what they feed the pikin for table. If they want to say it was saga, saga will kill you. Which lie you want to talk? You don't air, you don't air. You've aired. Which saga? Who you go feel saga? Which saga? What is saga they do for me? I will brush out your way because I lies. You don't get to tell me we go disturb me. God don't bless me. I get good job. I get documents you not get. I know they wait for pikin money to eat. You they wait for pikin money to eat. Facebook money, now they wait for. Now you see the zwap put. You zwap put. The mumu put. You can't do them again. They rake who shared the video. After I finish this broadcast, I'll go find the video, I will share it. Make the wrath of God strike you dead. Double, outside there, Richard. Because they call her Enogie. It not be Enogie. Enogie of here. For where for be Enogie? His name is Richard. Outside there, where Ayelala kill Papa. Ayelala kill Papa. Papa na bribe, he go collect. He thief 10,000 naira. Ayelala kill Papa. They threaten. Fire and brimstone. Who they fear you? You are going to lock on my boot. I promise you that. I think if I go lock you for my boot, I go flog you. Share this video to her. Now me they talk and Omofuma. I beat my chest tall. I go lock you for Benin anywhere, any day, anytime, any year. Except me to not meet for that Benin. I go put you where you belong to. I promise you that. And you come on air because they threaten. Where you don't gawk, you don't fuck up. You don't fuck up. You fucked up big time. You can't tell us say that thing they right. What you do. Now I don't want to give mad to those children. Those children are innocent. You that is lacking good parental skills is the one. You and Ozuo. Pupu yeke. When Monica call. Pupu yeke. Ozuo. Pupu yeke. Unda. Pupu yeke. Monica that give her that name. Actually. Now give her that name. Pupu yeke. Pupu yeke where actually give her. You went back to lick your vomit. After you rake, you say you go Holland that year. You call somebody make all fake or whatever. How you do I will not know. Say you sleep with Atuari. Now Atuari you can't go back to Atuari self. God take you back. God Atuari they take anything. The tea will come. Atuari they want fake lovers because she's not real. She go so beat you. You see Atuari go beat you. Let me tell you, Atuari they watch you. You call Kate and watch your program. When they call Kate, Atuari. You know Atuari don't get friend. Atuari not get friend though. He not get friend, he go beat you for that thing. You the fear. Actually wanted you to hit Kate, hit mommy love, hit everybody. Because as it is, friend of my enemy is my enemy. You cannot be friend to Kate and be friend to mommy love. Actually is coming back for you. I just give you a spoon. Actually they call beat you for that thing. They call Kate yes, yes, one of the person share. Me, I will share. After I finish this program, I will share. Can't do your worst. At worst, you can't lie. You do double lie. Will not they fear you. But one thing is certain, I will treat your fuck up. I promise you that. Can't lie double. As your sister, when you fuck for Eddie Murphy house, can't tell lie for a papa head, say papa fuck up. Can't lie double. Your fuck up plus a fuck up is sign, seed, and deliver. That one, there's no wayo about it. No juju. Nobody feel do anything about it. Your fuck up, if you take the last drain of the blood of my vein, I'm going to give you and if you the thing, one of the lie on this cyberspace. I'm going to give it back to you people. Back as you want that. And then they do saga and they tell you the truth. If you call it saga, anyhow you take the final. It's no saga, it's the fucking truth. You heard whoever they support you for that thing you do because you're not there for evil gang, evil club, evil association. Mama did it in Canada. Idiots where they go Canada, don't know what they're supposed to do, not to associate with evil people. So they associate herself with that Tuari. Atuari. These are evil people. What has happened to the black people? Now be evil. Now they so devilish. Common truth. Make una talk am as it be. That this is not right. In this Western world, at this time, you go to throw food for Peking. Like that, the Queen talk show said. It is obvious. It's obvious. She said it loud and clear. Without caring whose house is being God. She's right. 100% right. I go share the video after. Because saga yourself. Make you nail your coffee the more. If you not 10 nails you go put 20 nails the more. For your coffee. That's what I'm. Come out, come talking here. Do what you want to do. And here I go there, they look you. They watch all your movements. When hand go touch you, go know, say yes, not be the way they come papa, they come mama. I'm not share this thing. Share this thing, my people, my people, my people, my good people, not be the bad people, good people. We like truth, lovers of truth, worldwide. They fear Hunda, thief, Judah the carrot, betrayer. They fear and they know what God have mercy. That way thief his friend, wife, his friend, girlfriend. That what they fear, a born betrayer. A born destiny dead. Your destiny is dead already. Fucking dead. Say they pretend. You love. You not engage for Spain the daddy. You not be documented the fight for the barrel. You not engage for Spain. Didn't you engage one woman, one woman for Spain the daddy? Now you love Mama Nora, Unda, when they support you for evil. You know if he tell you truth, say this is not right. You know if he often not get what it takes to be good parents. It's just obvious to the world. So whoever support what they do, those people are just dead on good parental skills. That's just it. There's no two ways about it. Whoever they support una based on this act. When you commit, when you come back, come buttress again, say you go do them again. Now make me come out for you because I was thinking the first one was a fluke, a mistake, but you can't repeat them again. Your head, it go hit wall. We use your head to break coconut for this Edu. I just even talk for reality, not be Edu cyberspace, for real life. Because what you pass your boundary, reach outside there, you pass your boundary. You're a boy, you remain a boy all the days of your life. Feel like bleach your skin till whatever year make your body come rotten, all the layers of your skin not come there. Look at this, say you be fine boy. Look your elbow, see your elbow the rotten. Go open your elbow like man for Facebook like this. Make you see how your elbow be. Your elbow the rotten outside there, Richard. Your elbow the rotten. To that bleaching organic whatever don't turn you to moving corpse. You are very soon you go to decay. You go to decay. You go to decay. Now the fact I can't tell you. Not the saga, I give you the facts. The obvious facts. The obvious truth. Those idiots of Betty one of UK. They come up and say the facts, say what you do now. So that one, today night birthday, I just get a Facebook memory say that just today be of Betty one birthday. Based on that today. But that one I won't die. Okpaika won't die. Devilish mama, when if you talk truth. Even though today that your birthday, I know will saga you, I know what saga you, but I will still tell you small truth. Today that your birthday, you know if you talk truth, but it's last year, you did for the dark camp. You did for you define Bukoyakara, actually Bukoyakara, but today this year, you don't go back to your vomit. Within a space of 1 year. Last year birthday I celebrated you, but this year, me and Omofuma can't celebrate evil like you. Never. Thank God you've shown yourself to the world. Look the way they celebrate you last year. Make you look hard. Who celebrate you? And the fake apropos of Atuari, the fake blog where Ambrose Ajala open, I celebrate you. No real people celebrated you. No real people celebrate you. Fake people. People where Andrew Mopon not celebrate. People where T not celebrate. People where Bizugbe not celebrate. People where Frank Vito not celebrate. They are inconsequential in the cyberspace. Let's be frank. Actually, with the fake account, they celebrate you. So you are dead on arrival with the ambassador, idiots for our freedom, mumu, prisoners, so na be. Now they celebrate you. Those are dead on arrival. So you've lost it all. You've lost all esteem. You don't have it anymore. But they make actually celebrate you with 100 fake accounts. You are lost. Let's real people like the way they celebrate people. Well, what they are on news. Real people come and say, like we celebrated Lolo. Real people, organic real people celebrated Lolo on her wedding day. Who are the real people they celebrate you? Apart from that with the fake. Nobody can associate with you anymore. Nobody. Because you don't lost your stand. You don't get stand. You don't get principle. You've lost it all. Now so you go take go. You will just die. You will die gradually. You'll be extincted gradually out of those cyberspace. You become irrelevant. You will come and say you know they much. You know they're relevant again. What you work out tell people. Principle determines that what you stand for. No matter whether it is people are not watching you, stand for that thing. Be firm and consistent. Not be one day here, today, tomorrow, another place. It's not mediocrats like your type will follow you. That's a fact. Mediocrats like your type now go follow you. Not people with a real understanding of how life is supposed to be. With principled ideas, being firm, being consistent. They will never follow you. That is a fact. So that being said, my people, my conscious Adolites, I just make I give my 4-cent input to Richard wound down outside the we can tell us in they feed children and some evil people call the support saying so. Now lie. If you tell to be so contrary, I think the social service should be out for you very soon. You go post that thing. Me personally will post that to the German social service. Where they see one human being where they feed a Peking for the 21st century where they pay a benefit in Germany. Personally, I'm going to do it. I'm going to check the website very soon. The German social service. I will post that video to their website. Where they say the money they give her to take care of Peking. Where you go sit down fast, you know they work. Sit down on Facebook, they constitute nuisance. Constitute nuisance. You know if it teach Peking how to eat for plate. Now grind for put her. You put her for ground, Richard. Moku you know say the Peking as the other woman call her. Even dog no they eat like that. Dog no they eat like that again. Dog no they eat like that. There's some people going to support you, say you did well. God have mercy on black people. I think they lost confidence on black people because it is not just by mistake when they the last of the world. Not be by mistake. It's not by mistake that we are the least of the least people. Because none they feel talk truth. Not be by mistake. Look all the races on the earth, planet Earth. Who be the last race? Now black people. Can you compare yourself to the Moroccos, the Algerians, or the Egypt? They are perfect more than you people. No, they feel talk truth. No, they feel talk truth. In America, even the blacks are being treated because they still, though America is a safe society, there's a high level of democracy there, but the black people are still being oppressed. Based on their inability to speak it and say it and fight cohesion, unity-wise, to free themselves. To free themselves of this bondage all day. Because they come, they support evil. Supporting evil. Say this is right. Even though they feel the pikin for grant, must he bring it, must reach out, they bring it to public domain. Put our video, they throw food of pikin for table. I just don't want to insult those children. I don't want to use some negative words for those children. Because not be their fault. They train pikin say, you have the right to train pikin how you want pikin to eat. No be pikin go say, now what you teach pikin, that pikin go do. You go carry plate, give her. He go eat for that plate. One day, he not for a plate. 2 days not for a plate. If hungry, bitter, he go into a plate. They support evil. People without ideas. People that are just inferior. Without cohesion. Good understanding of life. So painful, my people. It's seriously so painful. So painful. That's so our people the reason. It's so painful. That make Michael Jackson, with all his millions, he wanted to be a white man. He wanted to be a white man by all means because he sees the black people. The black people, they get some deficiency in them. Their thinking is not right. Their thinking is not right. They're not helping themselves to grow. They're not seriously helping themselves to grow. You will see plain truth talker. You know, as it be, you know, go fit talker because you define this is my one favorite at the detriment of truth being told to the world. It's a shameful thing, my people. Very shameful. I greet all of you, Honorable Lolo Usayama Suwegi Olobo. I greet all of you. And soon I want to share this thing. It's so painful that our people, even me, I be the moment towards I want to fight for Peter Obi. As we fight for Peter Obi, some people will still be there trying to sabotage your effort because of they don't like good thing. The black people, Nigerians, they don't feel see truth. Say all Nigerians should be crying out based on how economy they had for Nigeria today. All Nigerians don't need to be told. They should be crying out that they need a change for better. But if they give the small 2,000 naira, they'll see their mouth. They say their destiny for eternity. They will say the destiny for eternity. How things go to work? A people that cannot come together and say truth and say, let's make a better change and make things work. This is why I'm not wasting my time. To even Juliet Ajari, I see you. Good afternoon. This will not even take, because at the end of the day, this is our, the fact is just so obvious that this APC government have failed the Nigerian nation. But some people are still clamoring for them. Some people are clamoring for Atiku. Atiku will say the whole of Nigeria federal parastatals to enrich himself. People are still clamoring that Atiku should come back. Tinubu should come back. These two dejected old people that we should be thinking of how to push. I see some people, they call themselves youth. They clamor, say that they jagaban. That they articulate. The same thing applies to Hunda. Hunda outside there. Wake up, put a foot for table. The some people, the supporter. The supporter say it is well. And Omofuma tire. I lost hope on una. Seriously, I don't lose hope on una. I don't lose hope. I don't get hope on una again. Una be useless people. I thank God for Meloni, Georgia. Make it lock the road. Because I don't need to come to Europe. Make it lock her. Make it lock that road. Make it put a standstill blockage to that road. Anywhere una go, una mumu go the show. Una mumu show. In a day Europe, una go the mumu, the zoa they go. So what is una the zoa for Africa? Una hungry, una go carry una president they do ritual. All of them go use una side they do ritual. At worst, because you don't get ability to change. You don't get ability to change a country, change society with values of truth. People don't have it. People don't have it. You know, if you see truth, when I talk, make things for work, for record purposes, for posterity's sake, that this is where you stand. You stood for truth. You stood for good ideas to change that thing not to happen again. Bro, so back at the make it sort, leave that one who da. But we use 2 months, stay also 70 million. That quick could not finish. Better they sort herself. Na mumu, na goat. Tell her, I say, who give me if you rubber when they take bitter for Germany? Now she give me. Okpaka Hunda. Who give me little love information? All of the GPC. Betray Okpaka. Okpaka, who they give me information? Not be you. Little love, mama, na ebo ma bona for me. Not be you, Hunda. All of the GPC. You go betray them very soon. They go beat you to come up for there. You be betrayer. So I not call for you today. Now, a willing I call for. You be betrayer. You be betrayer. The whole world will say you be betrayer. So, you don't finish. You are dead on arrival. You're fucking dead on arrival. You're not important. You're inconsequential. I go school pass you. I better pass you. When if you stand for truth. You insult me. Not today. Insult me. You know what I talk to you? You cook yourself a pot. Or sage where they give you rice. We carry go give people for away me. You know insult her. So what if you insult me and you thing? The wrath of God strike you dead up back. You are evil. You be evil. Or Betty one of UK. Now you be evil. Evil woman. That's what you are. I'm sure I don't want to talk to you today on your birthday. You just find my trouble. You say you insult me. A day where I'll call expose you the more. That day it go too sweet. That dirty, stupid monkey go to UK na monkey. Anything we talk, no wahala, I agree. Anything we talk, I agree. Mr. Vino, I agree. Mr. Whatever, I agree. Anything we talk, I agree. No shaking, na social media, but if not true, now we say, if not truth, for the cry, but that's not truth. Anything where she they talk, not truth, they ain't under it. So I'm less bothered about it. Thank you, Julieta Jerry. Mad woman birthday. Very mad. Mad woman. Stupid woman. Esa should be ashamed of that woman. That woman, Esa, I can't say that I see one of a video called somebody post her for my inbox. Because they just say they be Esa, whatever. Esas worldwide. Me personally, I will call the Enogie of a Wohimi. Me personally, Andrew I will call the Enogie of a Wohimi directly that the woman will use messes to rub her face for those cyberspace that they dine and dwell with today. Personally, I will do it. May the wrath of God strike you dead. You are a betrayer to this land. You are a big betrayer to this land. Where people they talk, you go they talk. Your godmother today, or Baika, your godmother, Atuari, not use mercy, stay rub the energy of Esa, of Woimi face. If you're rubber, where you go joy today, not insult Enogie of Esa land. Pass to that number of this and those cyberspace. The wrath of God strike you that you be enemy of Esa. Esans don't reject you. You're not a part and parcel of anything that concerns Esa. You deceive yourself, say you be Esa. You're not Essence, re-essence, disassociated themselves from you long time ago. You're not a part of Esa land. If they beat you, something come up now, stop. But if you want me to beat you today, I will beat you today. What of God strike you dead of Baka. Unda. The dead da of Betty one of UK. You put together with Actuary, with Unda, which outside there, all of them are fake. They're gonna try me. 3 of them are put together physically for Nigeria. For not be flush una, erase una, and then I'll be a Omofuma. What of God strike you dead of biker. Actually, and who damage outside there. I pass my message across. Don't pass my message across. Don't pass my message across. Who da 3 of una, not the mad, not the crazy. Who be on our mate? Who send on our message? Unto lies on those cyberspace. Lies upon lies. Manipulating. Supporting evil. Propelling evil. On those cyberspace. People look at us as being we not get something positive to talk about. All about saga. Saga. Pay show. I see Cynthia. Cynthia, really long time. How about you? You just make you leave this group, let them make you just avoid them, make you not talk to them because they think they be human being. I promise you, actually, that your baby Vela, I will buy it as a gift to my wife very soon. That's your baby Vela, I will buy it as a gift to my wife very soon. I will shock you on this cyberspace where you go donate. I will use my money to buy it. So my people, I greet you now with better style. Thank you for being here. I think I've been able to pass the message across. Please, as you come, help me to share, like, and follow the Home of Equal Right and Justice. This now where we talk as it be. Not be only me. People like Frank Victor, they talk as it be. People like Atiti, my brother, the new generational prophet, they talk as it be. Raw truth, undiluted truth. They talk without fearing who has been God. And Johnny Bizube, Voice of Justice, equally. Though he don't come back from Egypt, he's welcome back because if prodigal son come back, he will be accepted. He will be accepted. So we accept him back, standing firm this time around. No DB, my popo, Cynthia. Oh, Anita, Chamber of Truth. Anita, you're welcome, my beautiful, lovely sister in Canada. You're seriously welcome. Anita, share this thing. Amy Shara, fast. God bless you. God bless all of you now. I don't talk about CB. Richard Gok. Richard fuck up. He fuck up big time. There's no two ways about it. There's no how you can defend the indefendable. What he did was absolutely unnecessitated, unacceptable, uncalled for. So nobody will defend that one. There's nobody. There's no way you can defend it. There's no how you want sugarcoater, rapper, come deliver to us, say, this is a thing we can accept. We are uncompromising. We know they accept what it not be real. We stand for truth. So no how it be. No if you use a low level understanding of life, come try to overcloud our sense of reasoning. There's no way it can function that way. As you just swore they go, you want to make a come digress to your level, say, like me. I go university, I finish. You can't tell me, say, personal primary 6. First schooling certificate. You can't know the knowledge, you can't know things of the world when it comes to education past me. It's impossible. Thank you, Anita, for sharing. That's a good one. You're highly appreciated for being here. That's my beautiful and lovely sister in Canada. You know, we stand for truth. KO family, see the swore they go, they deceive them. What else can we say? But obviously, I will still speak about KO family. The birthday she did yesterday for her child was far different from what she did for Vava, baby Vava. That is blood is thicker than water. Like she talked and said blood is thicker than water before. So Vava, no one guesses what. Make they watch as event with your food. Obviously, the fact remains that nobody like the biological mother or father of a child, you know, they function. If not be Panadol, you know, feel be like Panadol. You know, they work. There's no way anybody go love another person picking past your picking. Not just natural laws, natural phenomenon. That's what it be. So it be, my people. So I greet you now with better style. I greet you now. So let's end this broadcast. I think I've been able to pass my message across to Sadeye Hunda. Guitar boy, come out. Come insult and Omofuma. I know they fear, but I know I go flog you for Benin City. If not be now, maybe in the next 4 or 5 years, when you get document, you will go Benin, go see your mama. I go flog you. I promise you I go flog you. I must flog you. Nobody go save you. I go flog you for Benin. We won't die if you're rubber. We don't say that one don't frustrate. That one not fit go house again. But with special arrangement, devil will see God. That one a clear matter. You get mama, you profess you love your mama. You will go house one day. Once you go bongo one day, I'll call show you. This is Omofuma, the real Omofuma, the Lord for life. Richard, come here. You remember that year for Germany this war? Come here. No forgiveness for you. Forgiveness is not accepted from my chamber. From my chamber, there's no forgiveness for you. And if you're a robber, never will there be forgiveness for you. So I greet them with better style. Still, my brother, tell them maybe it's a Facebook scammer. Of course, maybe it's a Facebook scammer. I will do that very, very soon. Now, this broadcast is especially dedicated to those idiotic, evil GPC people. Now, this broadcast especially, Wunda Richard Osade, Wunda come and do how we pay. Those idiot people, they lie. They don't like themselves. Oh. They don't like themselves. They pretend fake friendship. Fake friendship. After they call beat Richard very soon. They call Kate. Hey, they call your mama enemy for live broadcast. You don't name one coffee for your coffee. You don't put one name for your coffee. They call your mama enemy for live video. When she the one make you saga that one, make you help her because she the fan will help her saga. Now saga, who go help her? Now she the fan. She the recruit. Who go help her because she lack confidence. She need people to support her. But she go to beat her chest. I be Monica. You to say Ambrose is a man of honor. You not talk so you sleep with Monica. Wunda Richard. Person will talk so you sleep with your Ambrose wife. Person will talk so you sleep with Ambrose wife. Ambrose will accept that person to get connection again with your wife. If Ambrose is a man of honor. I beg, too many things they my mouth to talk, but make I reserve so for another day. Make I reserve so for another day. Finally, we ended the broadcast. God bless us. So I take call. Maybe not help me share. So I take call. I'm gonna share. Wunda Richard, nobody they fear you. You are a baby boy. You are a small boy. I will set fire for that your baby. I will put you. I will light my baby. I promise you that. Boy, any day, anytime. Baby, any day, anytime. You are a nobody. Any day, anytime. Strike billion times over and over and over and over and over again.